Hi, this is Jack Stanley, and I wanted to just make a short message. This is the third week since my surgery, and having work on my total knee replacement. It's the second one. I'll tell you, it is the most painful of surgeries, and I'm glad I only have two knees, to be honest. So I wanted to come on and say thank you. Um, Thank you for the kind words and emails and texts and things of the like. I truly, truly appreciate it. I can't wait till I'm not in pain. The pain is pretty amazingly intense, I must tell you. I had a very few, one rather powerful allergic reaction in this knee. This odyssey on getting my knee replacement starts in December of 2019. That's when everything was arranged. And of course, here we are in June of 2022, and we're finally reaching the end of that story. It's been quite a long adventure. So, once again, I wanted to say thank you and truly, truly appreciate. My hair looks like hell, I realize. I'm lying down all the time. Every once in a while, I get up and move around a little bit, and then I put ice on my leg again and put my foot up in the air and sit there and assume the position, as it were. So that's about all I wanted to say is thank you. And hopefully, as this month progresses, things will improve. And in July, I should be doing pretty good. Knock on wood, whichever it may be. Thank you.